what's the real threat out there? Is it tariffs or is it the contractors like mindset?
Yeah, so definitely, I mean, it's tariffs are gonna end up having if they go on too long, they definitely will impact the economy, both sides of the border, regardless, because there always is a need for stuff, new buildings, but that need starts to go away once costs go up too much, right? It's we can do without it. We can maybe do a small renovation instead of putting on a new addition. We can downsize our business. We have to downsize our business because we're not selling as much product because of tariffs or whatever the reason might be. It's definitely going to slow the economy. So that's first and foremost is getting to a point where it's kind of causing enough pressure on governments to start reversing the damage.
Yeah. I mean, what do you feel absolutely has to change in order to get back to, the way things were?
So, well, the big thing coming is I mean, there's the free trade agreement between Mexico, the U.S., and Canada that needs to be renegotiated. Obviously, aluminum and steel is a big chunk of that that's currently being tariffed like crazy. So, and because it's such an integral part of everything, especially not everything, but everything construction related, steel and aluminum, and everything automotive, steel and aluminum. So, those industries, if they're going to survive and not choke themselves off because the prices keep going up, they have to get that resolved somehow.